After Porsche launched the updated 911 GT3 last month, we're now waiting for the revised RS to break cover. But before that happens, Manthey is spicing up the outgoing Rennsport variant with a factory-backed aerodynamic body kit. The significant upgrade has the automaker's blessing and won't void the car's warranty. As a reminder, Porsche has owned a 51% stake in the Manthey since late 2013. You'll immediately notice the rear window is gone. In its place, Manthey mounts a 25% lighter carbon fiber panel with a shark fin antenna derived from the Porsche 963 Endurance Racer. The large aerodynamic element works with 6 extra smaller fins mounted on the roof. Their role is to guide the hot air from the front radiators away from the car so that the rear intakes draw cooler air. Elsewhere, the massive carbon rear wing now has different end plates for increased downforce. For the same purpose, Manthey also made the diffuser bigger. To reduce air resistance, the 911 GT3 RS is fitted with aerodisc wheel covers made from carbon fiber. With all these changes, the track machine generates over 2,204 pounds of downforce at 177 miles per hour. There's more to the Manthey kit beyond the modifications made to the body. Porsche's Track Monster has 30% increased spring rates at the front axle and 15% at the rear. Other tweaks include new shock absorbers, racing brake pads for cars with ceramic composite brakes, and some miscellaneous items. Goodies vary from body decals and illuminated door sill guards in carbon fiber to LED door projectors and a towing eye you can't use on public roads. The upgrade package has been 2 years in the making, and it involved thousands of miles of testing on European racetracks. Speaking of which, Manthey wants to do a hot lap of the Nürburgring, but weather conditions haven't been friendly. The goal is to shave off time from the standard GT3 RS performance established in October 2022 when the stock car lapped the 12.92-mile, 20.8-kilometer configuration of the famous track in 6 minutes and 49.32 seconds. It should be able to get closer to the 6:43.30 lap time achieved in June 2021 by a previous generation 911 GT2 RS fitted with Manthey racing components. Lest we forget, a 992 generation GT2 RS is seemingly on the way, so Porsche and Manthey could shave off even more seconds. In the meantime, GT3 RS owners can already order the new kit. Countries in the European Union will get it from January next year, while non-EU regions will have to wait until March. Pricing isn't mentioned, but the package tailored to the 718 Cayman GT4 RS costs from $53,946 in the United States, plus installation fees.